Hi everyone, this is Cable Vlog sa Philippine Reactor based in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Das Bia compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Let's check out kung anong meron sa Das Bia. Dito muna tayo sa mga top search. Ay talaga? Ay, wala. Ala. Ay, feeling ko din. Feeling ko din para-paraan niya yon for today's video. Ay! Cute ni Pang. Ang cute ni Pang. Okay. Ay, ba't parang may gigil ang cute? Charing. Wag nang paligay, paligay pa. Oo nga, wag na magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Go! Sana all no. Sorry. Ay. They made it. They really made it. Natanda sa akin, you will know. It will be clear. Grabe, no? Dami supporters. Ay!
More than a year na kayong kasama. What's the best moment so far? I know every day is the best moment
The best
for everybody.
moment, yes.
Ano yung pinaka number one sa list? Wow.
Oh.
Ako ngayon, pumasok sa utak ko yung sinurprise niya ako ng prom. Yun for me. Kasi parang, ano talaga, parang nananaginip nung time na yun. Para akong sinurprise na, para akong naging special at that moment.
Right.
Parang na-feel ko na parang, oh, ganito pala ma-surprise. Oh, ganito
Talaga?
pala
Aww.
ng isang babae. Kasi hindi naman talaga siya usual. Like, alam naman natin yan, but ako nung time na yun talaga, sabi ko sa kanya, wow, grabe. Tapos napatili pa nga ako dun na hindi ko i-expect. Kasi parang, grabe talaga yung ginawa niyang surprise for me.
Why did you do that?
Why did I do that? I just really wanted him to feel special. Kasi alam ko naman na parang hindi pa yun nagagawa for him ever. And parang sa isang taon na magkakilala kami, it's always him doing surprises for me. Lagi siya
Always
magpapadala
him.
ng flowers or basta kung ano nung paandar. So sabi ko, why not,
Saan
break the
paandar?
norm and
Sana,
show him how he deserves
the
to be
nerve,
treated.
the nerve.
So it's safe to say, B and Dustin na you're not seeing anybody else. But it's just really that exclusive talaga.
Siya po, sagutin mo. Sagutin mo eh. Tapos na. Yun na yun. Oh my God, I love this. Grabe. Pag slow motion talaga, iba ang atake, no? Kita-kita mo, mararamdaman mo talaga ang emotion. Okay. Sunflower. Grabe yun. Kulang na lang talaga mag-kiss sila dyan. Ba't hindi na lang halikan kasi? Sa bagay, nakita na din naman talaga natin na nag-kiss sila. Diba? Sorry. I knew I loved you before I met you. Okay. Before I met you. Ay.
Justin and Bianca with love from Chefis. Today, we celebrate not only the two people we've come to admire, but also the journey that brought us all together. From your
Okay.
very first moments in BBB to every milestone
Kaya
you've
yung
reached
boses
since
yan?
then, we've had the privilege of watching your story unfold. A story that inspired countless smiles, created unforgettable memories, and built a community that feels like home. Before we celebrate everything that this Bia has become today, let's take a trip down memory lane. And as we look back on where it all began, let's return to the very first chapter.
Ayan.
Every story begins with a single step. Before the cheers, before the edits, before
Ganda ni
the night was
Bianca.
beyond.
May ganito pala
There
silang
were simply
eksena.
two dreamers.
Ay,
Two
taray.
individuals who walked through the doors of bahay ni Kuya without knowing that their lives and ours
And
were about
ours.
to change forever. It didn't happen overnight. There was no grand announcement, no script, just little moments.
Just the two of us.
Conversations that lasted a little longer, the laughter that came a little easier, the comfort they slowly found in one another. And before we
Okay.
realized it, we started seeing something special. Not because they tried to be, but because they were simply being themselves. It wasn't just the colleague that captured our glance. It was the kindness, the respect, the friendship, the way they celebrated
friendship.
each other's victories and stood beside each other through difficult days. Every shared smile becomes a memory. Every little interaction became another reason for us to believe.
Ay,
Because sometimes the most beautiful stories are told in the smallest moments. And somewhere along the way, something incredible happened. A family was born.
ay.
Different faces, different stories. United by one journey, Shakti's become more than just a fandom. It became a home. Naming the Pinoy Brother House was never the end. It was, indeed, only the beginning for something greater. Together,
Eh, tingnan mo naman sila. Tingnan mo naman sila. Kala mo yung MM. Ay! Buhatan naman pala ang atake. Best in buhatan for today's video. Hindi mo kaya. Touch me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Si Pops, asa na yung mga pasando ni Pops? Ay. Ba't parang bagong kasal sila? Naka-white papati sila, no? Wait. Hindi totoo naman, naka-white pa pala. Naka-white pa talaga sila. Ah. Ay, hello. Para bang gusto mag-kiss? Charing. Anyways, that is naman for today's video. This is Kiki Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!